Hello everyone, welcome to my first ever internet tutorial. This tutorial is going to show you how to pull off MP3s off of websites so you can download them and have them on your computer. And this is using Google Chrome, the internet browser. So yeah, I'm just going to get started. So basically the website I'm going to be using is a day's digital playlist. Yeah, they come out with like monthly playlists and other playlists, and I like their playlists, but they're only available to stream on their website. You don't obviously have the option to download it on your computer, so I'm going to show you how I download them. So basically the main tool we'll be using in Chrome is, I guess you would call it the developer tool. Yeah, so under view options, you go to developer and developer tools. And for you, this will open this window. Either like I have it set to the bottom, but sometimes it opens on the side. And you can see there are all these different tabs: elements, network, sources, timeline, profiles. Honestly, I don't know what a lot of this does. But the one tab we'll be using for this is the network tab. So basically what this does is when you stream a song, it'll pop up onto here, and yeah, it'll show you an address for where you can download that song or like the exact file. So the important thing that we have to do if we're looking for an MP3 file, or yeah, just like a song, is use this filter tool. And right now it's set to all, but we're gonna click media. So you see once we clicked media, all of that stuff went away. This is basically just other things on the pages, like say like these images, they're probably somewhere on here because they downloaded when we opened the website, but we have not clicked any of the songs yet, so those do not appear on here. So yeah, you have a few options here. Media is the one we want to use. So the basic gist of this is when you play a song, it downloads, so it'll pop up on here. So let's try that. I don't know why it didn't work for the first song, but yeah, so you see once we played this song, SOS, it appears on here. And what we're gonna want to use, oh, and another thing I like to do is like say I go to another song, you see multiple songs have popped up here, but there's not really any indication of what the song is because it just gives you this address that's kind of just in gibberish. So I like to click this status column so it organizes them to like the most recent downloaded is at the top. So yeah, I don't know if that makes sense, but once you start doing it, it'll make sense. So basically click that so the arrow's pointing down, so you see SOS is here, and then Bitch Better Have My Money is at the top. And then if we go to the next song, the Kendrick Lamar one, it is now on the top because it's the most recent downloaded. So all you have to do to grab the song that you played is, and you don't even have to play it all the way through, all you're looking for is the address here. And the address pops up in blue here like a link, and how I grab the link is I right click it, so yeah, right click it and open the link in a new tab. This on a new tab, there you go, you see? It'll open the MP3 just by itself, and basically this is just the MP3 file, but it's on your browser. So to get that to your downloads folder, you go to File, Save Page As. It says Page, but really it'll just save the one file on there, or Command S. So that's what I like to do, Command S, and then you can save it to your downloads folder or wherever you want to save it. This file name is obviously not, you can't recognize the song with it, so I like to, what's it called again? I like to write the name of the song there and then press save, and you'll see Chrome is now downloading it. The download's in process, And yeah, it's downloaded, so now it should be in your downloads folder. Let's try this for one more. Another thing I like to do on this website, well, okay, so let's do this next song. Yoga, see it popped up on the very top. I like to, before I open a new tab, highlight and Control C, copy the title. Oops, shit. Right click, open the link in a new tab, Control S to save, and then I copied the title, so now I can just do Control V and paste the title in there, so it's nice and organized in my downloads folder. So we can save that, and it's downloading currently, and it's downloaded, so now we have 2 songs. We can test that out and see if we can open them in iTunes. So locate your downloads folder wherever you save them, click the song, and you didn't see that happen, but now it's in my iTunes. It just downloaded, or not downloaded, I just put it into my iTunes. So there you go. I hope that tutorial was helpful. And yeah, that's using Chrome to pull off MP3s from the internet, and it should work for a variety of websites. Thanks, goodbye.